We want to be on 23. $57?
4.
Think you're getting tired.
Am.
We'll do maybe this one and maybe one more, and then probably head back towards the truck.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I ain't making that.
Yeah, first gear, give her the beans, stick it in the rut. Once you get up the hill, lean up the hill.
I don't got it.
Oh, yeah, you do. Turn, turn. Oh, you stopped. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
You might have to roll back down. Yeah, you're going to have to roll back down.
Stuck in her. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Oh. Yeah, just let it, turn the wheel that way. Just let it roll and then ride back out of there and get another start.
What do you mean, right back? Like that way?
Probably, yeah. Ride back over there and turn around, and you're going to have a time trying to start from where you're at. I just ride back over to that ledge, turn the bike around, and try it again.
Is this too bad? Probably.
Pretty off camber, you'll probably slide into that tree. But yeah, a spot like that, you can't stop. You just got to put your bike in the rut and turn to the left and hold it in first gear and give her the beans. I'll come back down too.
Okay. Guess I'll go back all the way across.
Any room to turn around over here? Yeah, you can just put your foot down and lean the bike a little bit, slip the clutch, let it spin around. Watch that rock. Get 2 or 3 tries.
Or more.
Or more. Yeah, just like a motocross rut. Just don't stop. You stop, you're done.
Okay.
Lean up.
Damn it! Shit! Sorry, Mason!
I got it all on video.
Just go on, take her on up. We made it most of the way.
That was funny.
Oh, God.
You had it. You had it. You had it, and you just got to the top and stopped and was leaning the wrong way. You didn't transition your lean yet. It's all about momentum. That's all it is.
Yeah. Are you good? Huh?
I've now watched Mason catch his dad and you.
Well, welcome to the fun life.
Yep. You ready to catch old dad, buddy? I know. Lean it up the hill.
I'm trying. Ow! Ow!
That's...
Jesus.
Okay. You gotta lean it up the hill.
You can tell I'm tired.
I know. Once you get tired, the mistakes come on like 10 times as much.
This might be the last one. I can't really hold on.
It's fine, yeah, I know. Let's finish 57 and we'll make our way back.
Okay. Thanks, Amy.
Textbook, buddy. Textbook form. I bet that one hurt.
It hurt my back. The bike hit it.
I bet. It's a long fall.
Just a second. Oh, gosh. All my shit's falling off. Okay.
See what I'm doing? You can do the same thing.
I'm not gonna make it.
Just gotta lean the bike to the right. You're doing fine.
I'm scared. I'm scared now.
Lean it to the right. Lean it further. There you go. There you go. You got a finger on the brake. Okay, keep leaning it right. There you go. There you go. Uh-oh. Mine died. Whoa! Uh-oh. I'm off the trail. Uh-oh. I forgot.
What? Is it a big hill climb or something?
You probably got it. Just watch me. See what you think. I'll ride your bike up that if you want me to. It's gonna seem scary to you.
I'm going.
Okay, I'm up here to catch you. Right here, good job. Don't stop. Oh. All right, you're at the top. You got it. Whoa, root. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hang on, I have a good foot. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. I didn't reach the ground.
I got it. You're not going anywhere. I got you.
Mason, you got me.
Move your foot up the hill. I got the bike. Move your left foot up the uphill. There you go.
Okay.
Epic! That's a pretty good climb for a beginner, dude.
Okay.
Nice. How's that heart rate now?
Good.
You just went for it.
I can't feel my hands.
I was coming to ride your bike up the hill and you're like, I'm going.
Yeah. You got to give me a second now.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
What made you decide to just go for it?
The turn went okay. The turn went okay, so I just kept going.